So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I'm going to share another coupon about this research presentation guide, and in this guide is very useful for to beginners who are trying to make good presentations and not having a good knowledge to make a presentation correctly. And in this, after completing this course, you guys will learn to how to create a presentation, a research presentation with good content quality. So let's see how to get this course for free of charge. So guys, I forgot to mention this coupon is only valid for 1,000 students who are enrolling with this course. So I am not the only one who is sharing this coupon. Therefore, make sure to enroll with these courses immediately when I am uploading a video. After uploading the video. So and I am also forget to mention, after completing this course you can get a certificate of completion by Udemy. So first of all guys, you need to copy the link that this link I will provided in comment section. So you need to copy the link, and then you need to log to your Udemy account. So you can see now I am logged to my Udemy account and open a new tab and paste the link. So you can see now they are showing this course. I can enroll with this course for free of charge. So I hit the enroll now button. So you can see now my total is $0. So now I am enrolling with this course. So you guys see I can access this course content for free of charge. Now I am successfully enrolled with this course. So that is it guys. Hope you enjoy this video and share this video for friends and other people who might be helpful with videos. So make sure to check out our latest videos for another coupons, and if you guys miss this chance, don't worry, there are plenty of courses updating in future from my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching guys.